Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we still sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I hope you're coming back. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. So right now, what I'm experiencing in the month of April of the most complimented fragrances that I have in my collection, okay? Again, these are not like indefinite, the most complimented fragrance in my whole entire collection, but what we are experiencing right now in the month of April, these have got me several compliments, okay? Let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. First up, Queen B. Oh, Queen B or Queen V. Miss Valaya. Yeah, you all know this was, you knew this was going to be on the list because I've been talking about her now. Listen, she, at every point, every time I wear Valaya, I have gotten a compliment every time I've worn Valaya. Now, I don't know if it's because Valaya has been sitting cutesy and cute. I have no idea. Listen, I feel like I have not had this experience that I'm having right now with Valaya in the past when I have had Valaya. Every time I wear this fragrance, put it on, this nice peachy, white peach type of fragrance gets, musk fragrance gets people shooketh. Okay? Shooketh. My friend, we had dinner, we had our girls' date. Listen, I was approaching and she said, "Oh my gosh, you smell good." And I was like, that daggone Valaya! It's that daggone Valaya, girl. So she has been showing out. I mean, and again, we had our dinner date and this was after work. So Valaya stuck with me all day for me to go in the evening and go out with my friend on dinner, and she smells me. Honey, like showing out, okay? So highly recommend if you want to get compliments, right? Smell good. And when you're not smelling you, others are still smelling you. Compliment. I even got compliments through the drive-thru. Should have been at the drive-thru. I know. Don't go there. Don't go there. Should have been at the drive-thru. Got it. Good. Great. But Culver's has the new, like, if you have a Culver's, they have the lemon ice that has come back out, and you can get the coolers again. If you know, you know. Girl, I was at the drive-thru, and the guy complimented me. Okay, so this is definitely a big compliment getter. The like projection is loud and proud, and you will love her down. But I paired Valaya with Burberry, and this is the Eau de Toilette of Burberry. Listen. If you have these two, this is when I smelt myself and was like, dang girl. Dang girl, you smell good. I got complimented my own self like, oh, okay. I see you today, girl. You doing your thing. This together, this combination, chef's kiss, okay? Chef's kiss. And if you are not new to my channel, my sis, Chi from Lavishly Chi put me on to this, okay? She was raving about this, and I don't know, I just missed it. I have not reached for it in quite a while. So put this with Miss Valaya. Hey, if you got it, help yourself and thank me later. This by itself also is very good, okay? Now, this is not going to kind of reach the masses, but it will reach the masses with her. But by itself, no, it's an eau de toilette, right? So it is what it is, but it is so good. And especially if you work from home, this is a great fragrance where you just smell like, okay, I'm ready for this day. But no, this is so good. Highly recommend. And I recommend this other Burberry fragrance that I have been wearing and getting compliments on is this Burberry. This is Burberry Elixir. This is so good. If you want a strawberry jasmine, but not heavy on the jasmine, kind of creamy, fruity, vanilla. This fragrance is so good, okay? And it's good on your body. You smell good. You smell not only clean, but fruity and sweet and all the things that men like. This is what you smell like. It just shows out. I love this strawberry fragrance. Down, okay? This has been getting me compliments. Like somebody, I was working. Oh, you smell so good. Yes, yes, yes. I know, no. It is so good. Head turner, okay, if you are single out in there and you single and want to mingle, because you might be single and don't want to mingle. You might not even have time. You like, girl, we is drinking our water and we is working. Girl, we are working. So, but if you are single and want to mingle, this is a great fragrance to have. It is so good. Highly recommend this fragrance to all. So good for massive compliments. Next up, if you are looking for a great passion fruit, tropical, fruity, fresh fragrance, look no further. Now, this is going to be a coin getter, but the compliments that you get, you just don't want to live without her. Like, you're like, another passion fruit fragrance? What? This is from Mind Games. This is Leonarda. This is so good. I love this fragrance. Down. Oh, this passion fruit. We have like a tonka bean. You have ginger in it. Now you all know, if you know me, a ginger note, like a spice. No, this is not even like spice where you can't take it, but it's like this spice of sexiness that you needed, okay? This also has apricot in it. It is so good. Oh, I cannot rave about it so much. Every time I wear that fragrance, it's on the spot, okay? Not like on the spot, but it's on like Donkey Kong, okay? To a point. Like if you have Netflix, I'm gonna give you a little suggestion, okay? It's not for the kids. So if you got the kids in the room, kids got to be asleep. You know, if you got your boo, fine. But the kids got to be asleep, right? This is not for them. But Fatal Seduction on Netflix, that is the best series that I have, I want to just throw it out there, ever watched, okay? Ever watched. Even like better than my like Walking Dead. Like I am so in love with this series. Like I'm waiting for season 4. I got my boss on it and she's like, girl, she's like, you are in trouble. I was up until 1 o'clock in the morning watching. I was like, I know. I got my guy on it. You know, he's like, it's very lustful. Okay, old man. But it is so good, y'all. It is a thriller, but like sexy thriller. It's good. So Fatal Seduction, hear your sis. If you want a good series on Netflix, that's what you need to watch. Put that in your favorites. Put that in your queue. Watch, okay? And let me know your thoughts. Fatal Seduction, chef's kiss. But this is what I think. I think the women on there, Fatal Seduction, they could be wearing this. Leonella. It could be fruity and sexy. It is so good. So highly recommend that series. Highly recommend this fragrance. Okay, you can watch this fragrance with that series. How about that? Okay, compliments galore. And last but certainly not least, I have gotten compliments on this. It's very sexy. Champagne, okay, is in this, and this is Shoo Shoo. All right, this is from the House of Beau. This is their new release. Listen, y'all weren't lying. Y'all hyped this up for a reason. Y'all wasn't lying to you, sis. All right, this has champagne, citrus, tangerine type of note. Oh my gosh, this also has rose, Damascus rose. You got some berries in this. It is so good. So good. Love it down. Compliments. Yeah, for sure. If you are into rose, if you are into fruity, warm, spicy type of fragrance, you want a little sexiness in your life for this spring, summer season with some champagne, with some bubbly, okay? But bubbly to a point where people aren't gonna think like you is like you've been sipping on the spur, sipping on it. That's not even, I know, but so good. Okay, champagne down. This is so good, you all. And fruity. Oh, okay. Compliments galore. This is a absolute compliment getter. I'm not even hyping it up because it's a purple stone. It's an amethyst stone. So, like, I told you purple's a good color. But this is one that you absolutely need to add to your wish list or add it to your cart or put in your collection. It is a great From House of Beau fragrance. You will get compliments all day, all night, date night, first date night. If y'all looking to date night. Well, I don't know, because if you on the app, she might not want to wear this because he is going to be stuck. Okay? But this is a great date night with your boo, your husband, whatever. It's such a great fragrance. I would highly recommend for this season for you to get the House of Beau Shoo Shoo for sure. Well, that's all, fam, for my most complimented fragrances that I have experienced in this month, okay? What are some of the complimented fragrances that you are experiencing in the month of April? We're almost done. We're actually done. I hope this video actually gets out before it's done. But what are some compliments that you have been receiving? Okay, have you been outside? When I tell you this weather, between weather and gas, it just makes me just, what the what? What do you want? I had to wear a sweater yesterday. Rainy, cold, and now today you want me in some shorts. What? I don't know how to dress. Okay, so here we are. Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and comment down below. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.